Would you pay over $4,000 for a trading course? Many people do. And here's what happens. The pitch starts at $2,999. Then come the upsells. Before you know it, the total cost surpasses $4,000. You spend all that money, but your confidence never surfaces. At Market Mindset University, we've lived it. The costly programs, the painful mistakes. We have the battle scars. That's why we built a complete system that's designed to actually transform you. What makes MMU different? Step-by-step lessons, interactive quizzes, subscriber exclusives, proven strategies. We cover it all from A to Z. Market Mindset University is built to transform you into a confident, profitable trader with an unstoppable mindset.
Thanks for watching. If you're ready to keep growing, your next step is simple. Watch this lesson. You'll find the link in the description. We'll meet you there.